Right, the train. Oh my gosh, look. Wow.
We're right in front of the train. Here it comes. Wow, here it is, look.
Wow.
Wow. Those brakes sound good.
Dang.
It takes off. Ding-a-donga-ding-a-donga-dinga.
That was funny. What good timing. Oh, here's the train.
Yeah, right?
That's a real train. That's a real.
Is that big?
That's a big one.
Yeah, it's a big train.
So excited over it.
Yeah.
One of these days it's good for him to go to San Diego on the train.
Yeah, that'd be fun.
So much fun.
Yeah.
Because it's right on the coast. You go right over.
Oh, I know, it's beautiful. I did that one time.
Where does it drop you off though? Are you close? What are you close
San
to?
Diego. It's